Hello friends, welcome to Learn It in 10, where we tackle big topics in small bites, just 10 minutes. That's it. Okay? So no fluff, no fancy talks, just straight up learning. Right? So let's dive in before the clock runs out. Okay? So like always, today before we proceed, let's not forget our ultimate investment mantra, which is know your exit before you enter, which is what KyebyeWay stands for. Okay? All right, let's proceed further. Right, friends, have you ever wondered what moves the market? And here, when I say market, I mean the price. Have you ever wondered what moves the price? Come, let's check out. Predominantly, most of the times, it's the supply and demand. All right, so this is exactly what moves the market. This is one of the main reasons why the price moves up or down. So please note in today's session, whenever we discuss supply and demand, we are specifically referring to price. Okay? So here we go, friends. Let's first look at the definition, right? So demand is the amount of product or service people are willing and are able to buy at different prices, right? So we have a graph here. Let's break it down, all right? So as the demand goes up, okay, it impacts the price. The price also goes up because as the demand increases, the price also increases. But what happens as the price peaks, the demand starts falling because the moment people feel that it's too pricey, the demand is going to fall, right? So the more affordable a product is, the more people are willing to buy it. On the flip side, when prices rise, demand tends to go down, right? This is very, very important when it comes to pricing a product. Okay, so the relationship between the price and the quantity demanded is known as the law of demand. Okay, so as I told you, let me just rephrase. As the demand goes up, the price also goes up, but when the price peaks, obviously the demand will start falling. And as the demand comes down, again the price will start picking up. All right, so you're able to understand this, right? Excellent. So friends, let's take a real world example, all right? So let's take the example of ice cream. In summer, when you see when the temperatures rise, the demand for ice cream increases, right? And this eventually drives up the price. Understood? I mean, this is something that we've all seen it, right? And conversely, during winter, the demand drops. Obviously, nobody's going to have ice cream during winter, right? So this lowers the demand, and in turn, it lowers the price, right? I hope this analogy helps you in understanding the concept of demand, okay? So the same can be applied even in stock market or any other instrument that we talk, right? So when the demand increases, the price shoots up, right? So please understand, remember this graph whenever you hear the word demand. When the demand increases, the price shoots up. When the demand falls, the price falls, right? So this is exactly how demand works. All right, so friends, uh, you might have heard of different kinds of terms when it comes to stock market trading or your currencies or your commodities, right? And those are demand, buying, uptrend, long, or bullish, right? And trust me, friends, all these mean the same thing, that the price is going to go up. They are referring to the price, which means when they say market is bullish, it means the price is going up. When they say I'm long on a stock, it means they expect the price to go up. Uptrend again refers the price to go up. So does buying and demand. So please remember, whenever you hear these words, it means they are all expecting the price to go up. All right. So So, to summarize, folks, demand is all about how much of a product consumers are willing to buy at different prices. By understanding demand, you can better navigate the market and make informed choices. So, please remember this graph. When demand goes up, price goes up. And when demand falls, price falls. Right? So, that's it for today. Join us next time as we explore supply, the other side of the economic coin. Okay? That's it, friends. We have come to the end of today's session. So if you have any doubts regarding demand, I kindly request you to type it in the comment box below. And not just that, so kindly hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon and support this channel. And by you doing this, it's going to reach as many people as possible who would like to learn about finance. So kindly do this favor for me. And that's it, folks. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day and God bless. Jai Hind.